Do you feel like you tried every form of credit repair and the item's still not coming off? Well, in today's video, I'm going to explain how you can use this certified letter strategy hack to remove everything from your credit report. And I know what you're thinking. I've sent out mail using certified before and the item's still on the credit report. That's nothing new. Well, in today's video, I'm going to explain a secret hack that I use on 10 of my personal clients and friends, and 10 out of 10 of the clients got everything removed. This strategy is so powerful that it is barely legal. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a bang. In today's video, we're going to talk about a secret hack to remove all of your debt. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience. It also allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software and start removing these items. Guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. Guys, I'm super excited about this video because I've been waiting to make it for probably 6 to 8 weeks, and the reason is because I wanted to try this strategy on personal friends and family that I know that I'm familiar with their account, right? So I wanted to try the strategy, and the strategy works like gold. Guys, what I'm going to give you guys today is sauce, and the sauce is saucing. Seriously. So let's dive straight in. So first thing you have to learn is that you have to learn how to look over the credit report. Everything on your credit report has to be 100% verifiable, 100% accurate, and 100% timely, right? So the first thing on your credit report is that you need to look to get removed is the statute of limitations. Statute of limitations is the easiest, most effective way to remove everything and anything from your credit report. So everything on your credit report has a time frame of time that it needs to stay on your credit report. And the statute of limitations for most debt is 7 years. So that means that if you have an account on your credit report that is 10, 15, 20 years old, it automatically gives you credibility and leverage, a huge amount of leverage to get the item removed, right? So that's the first thing. Now, what does that have anything to do with certified mail? Now, that has nothing to do with certified mail. That has something to do with the hack that I'm going to give you guys today, but it has everything to do with just getting the easy stuff removed first, right? So I always teach in all my videos, statute of limitations is by far the easiest to get things removed. All you have to do is find the debt of when it was last paid. So the statute of limitations starts on the last payment date, not on when the account was open. So if you haven't paid in 7 years, then it is time for the item to be removed. The statute of limitation for inquiries is 2 years. So that means if you have any inquiries for over 2 years on your credit report, that gives them statute to be removed. Now, let's talk about the certified mailing hack. Now, my company been sending out certified mail for clients for years now, and we never used this strategy, if I just must say so myself. I seen a video, well, actually one of my team members seen a video on YouTube or something, and they formulated a strategy with the video. So the video gave a lot of good information, and they basically mixed it with some of our strategies, and it works like gold. So first thing you have to do is basically get your credit report, and you get your credit report with icredit.com. That gives you all 3 bureaus, and it gives you a full viewpoint of your credit report in real time. So icredit.com first and foremost, and then you want to go to creditapprove.com. mycreditapprove.com. Now, the reason you want to go to mycreditapprove because that is where you're going to draw the letters. You're going to create the letters. Now, you can do our recommended option, or you can use several options that we have inside the software using some of our tutorial videos or guidelines to basically formulate a case, to build a case for your particular account. Everybody have to build their case differently, but you need both of those websites to get started. You need iccredit.com to get the credit report, and then you need the mycreditapprove software to get the letters and the verbiage you need. Now, once you get the letters, the mycreditapprove software is going to give you an option to edit the letters and add your own personalized story. Now, you're going to want to basically ask them to give you all original documentation pertaining to the debt. So, for instance, if you are trying to get an AT&T bill removed, what you're going to want to do is basically ask them to send you all verification of the original contract. Now, you're not sending any of this information to the credit bureaus. Now, that's what most of the time we do. We send the information to the credit bureaus and that be it. Now, we're going to set a trap. Now, traps being set in credit repair hacks is awesome and by far the best strategies because you're basically putting them in a position where they have no other choice but to remove it. So, how do you set the trap? So, how we're going to set the trap is basically, like I said, going to the creditors first. We're not going to communicate with the credit bureaus until after the creditors has been notified. So the first thing you want to do, like I said, go pull your credit report, formulate the letter. Now, I recommend the recommended option in this because it's going to ask all the verbiage and it's going to basically have everything as far as verbiage needed to get the result. So once you get the credit dispute letter, you're going to want to basically go to the post office, and you're not sending this regular, you're sending this certified mail. And the reason you're going to do this is because a series of breadcrumbs is going to be followed throughout this case. Most people send out disputes to credit bureaus and creditors and they never ever get a response, and they really just be at the mercy of the credit bureaus responding. If they don't respond and you paying credit repair companies and they doing their job sending out the letters and they just not getting a response, then we are literally at the mercy. So this is how you're going to solve that. You're going to send out the letter, certified mail, and when you get the certified mail, you're going to, when you get to the post office, you're going to ask them to basically have a signature required for them to obtain the mailing, right? So if they do not sign for the mailing, there is going to be sent back to you. But if they do sign the mailing, the post office worker or the mailer, what they're going to do is they're going to rip off a section of confirmation, and they're going to send that section back to your home address. So make sure that your home address is on that section for your return address, because the return address section is the sauce. It's going to give you everything that you need to get the items removed. So once you send the letter to AT&T is going to get the letter, they're going to sign the letter, and the post office worker is going to send a confirmation of them receiving the letter back to your home address. Now, that confirmation that you're going to get from the post office is going to be the trap. Now, what you are hoping for is them not to respond in this case, because by law, like I said, everything on your credit report has to be 100% accurate, 100% timely, and 100% verifiable. So everything on your credit report has to be appropriated and investigated within 30 to 45 days. So if you don't receive anything within that time frame, you're going to send that confirmation letter showing that someone received it and showing the letter that you sent out. And now we're going to go to the credit bureau, we're going to go to the CFPB, and we're going to go to the FTC. Now, because you have proof that you have given this creditor a fair amount of time to receive this, and you have proof that they have received and someone signed off on it, if they do not have proof that they have sent anything back to you, or if they don't have any confirmation of doing that, they really don't have any leg to stand on. And the CFPB, the credit bureaus, and the FTC is going to have to take your word that they missed the time frame of response, so they are at that point forced to remove it. And this is working like butter. So this is going to work for all of your collections, charge-offs, hospital bills, late payments, anything that's like that, guys. You can basically send a notice asking them to basically give you all of the original documentation pertaining to this debt. Do not ever claim the debt. Do not ever agree to the debt in these notices. Always leave that up to them. So basically, you are asking for them to check over your account, send me over everything of the account that is mine. Now, when they do that or do not do that, that is going to open the window for the credit bureaus to basically jump in and the CFPB to jump in. And if they do not send you proof, then the CFPB and the credit bureaus, like I said, is going to have to take your word that you haven't received any response, and they will remove the debt. Like I said, 10 out of 10 people has used this method on multiple negative accounts, and literally all 100% of the clients have gotten great results from this method, and it's working like butter. Now, I've done hacks and secrets on my website before, on my YouTube channel before, and it get millions of views, and it doesn't be a hack or a secret anymore. So guys, use this as much as possible before they actually find a way to plug it and use it for your benefit. Now, the reason why I say this is barely legal, because if you do get a response and if you lie about it, that is illegal. It's going against this the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and it's just illegal on all fronts. So you don't want to basically lie. I've seen people lie about it. They have gotten results, but they lied, and they better hope that they don't get caught. So guys, that's the method. Let me know in the video, in the chat section, if you want me to make a part 2 of the video to teach you how to file a complaint with the CFPB and the credit bureaus after you have gotten no response from the original creditor. Guys, let me know in the comment section, after you use this method, have you used this method? Let me know in the comment section, because I'm definitely there. I always want to communicate with you guys via the comments. So let me know if you want me to create a part 2 to show you guys how to file a complaint with the CFPB, the FTC, the Better Business Bureau, and the credit bureaus. Guys, leave it in the comment section, and if I get multiple comments asking that, I will make a video on that as well. Now, if you want to learn that without me making a video, you can go to the 14-day hack video, and I break everything down in that video as well on how to file a complaint with the credit bureaus and the CFPB. Guys, until next time, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out. Peace.